everyone. Today we bring to you a fun-filled skit family reunion. In this skit, you'll meet some very interesting members of the Angle family. Let's go. Hi everyone, I am Zero Angle. A zero angle is an angle that's measured exactly 0 degree. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Acute Angle. I am always small and sharp. My angle is less than 90 degree. You can see I am cute and little. That's why they call me Acute. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am right angle. I am the most perfect of exact 90 degree. I'm from well shape like the corner of your books or your classroom walls. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am obtuse angle greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Thank you. I am straight angle. Hi friend, I am straight angle. I make a perfect straight line exactly 180 degree. You, I see me in plus or number line. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am reflex angle. Watch out, I am reflex angle. I am larger than light, more than 180 degree but less than 360. Some say I am confusing but I am just showing a big part of the circle. Thank you. I am complete angle. A complete circle of 360 degree. I love to around and come back to the point. Thank you. Thank you for watching our